Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe? Do you just wanna to be left outside the grid?
Okay, I hope nobody of the models is kind of like easily seasick, because today we're gonna take a boat to some awesome locations here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So hopefully nobody throws up on the boat, everybody will be fine. And I feel like a school teacher where we have this big bus and I have to be like, hey kids, so today's excursion, this island was built in 1969. We're gonna visit it. Make sure to not forget your sandwiches or any belongings on the bus. And yeah, the cool kids drinking in the back. Eating yogurt. They're actually very healthy.
A few moments later.
So as a good school teacher, we don't leave any children behind. She was a little bit late, but we picked her up, we turned around. All right, go, 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 quickly. So now both me and Ari will be on the floor, but you know, we gotta take care of our models.
Thank you, you're so sweet.
I'm not between the models, I'm just between two beautiful gentlemen.
Oh.
Get seasick on a boat, then Matteo here is maybe gonna get them seasick from just too much tequila. So please don't drink too much. You're responsible for this. I didn't bring it.
They signed something, right?
It's so a release form, not a form that insurance covers all what happens.
Release yourself.
As you guys can see, we're almost at land again. The captain did a great job. Was it hard?
Easy, guys.
Seven hours driving on the highway, far away, far away.
It's not slow-mo, so just
It's not slow-mo?
it's not slow-mo, no.
So yeah, let's get the ship to the, I don't know how you call it, to land, to the dock, and start shooting. We actually have a guy who's gonna fly his drone here. Fly away, or are you gonna be in orbit? Or?
Jonah, what are you doing?
I'm a pirate now. I'm also modeling, you know. Woo-wee. If you're wondering where we are and you want to visit this amazing place in Mexico yourself, we are in Qui Mixto. I probably butchered that word, but we're gonna forget about that and follow the group.
Oh, this is the right music. Perfect music.
Vagabond vibes with Don.
Vagabond vibes.
Maybe we need one model, otherwise it's a bit awkward. Alessia, can you save us? Alright, hop, and now we jump out of the frame and boom!
So for the first shot, I check the location a bit. I want to shoot all the girls against this colorful wall. We have some palm trees in the background, some nice geometric figures, some vibey colors. That's all you need for the perfect Mexican photos. Let's do it.
So many models, you know, it's like a really group shot. Normally you have one model, maybe two, maybe three, but I don't know, I even lost count of how many we have right now in the shot. So that's really something unique about just the entire trip and the vacation. That's why we organize a little bit more like trips outside of the hotel, for example, so you actually explore a little bit of the country, the beautiful location that it has to offer. And you know, models always love that and love to join. So that's why we got such a cool group going on. It's always a little bit of a circus when you're on a photo shoot with the Vagabond crew. Sometimes it's a little bit of a circus here, people climbing and things, people doing all kinds of things.
Yeah, because it's
sometimes it's also a zoo, and you get this little cute creature.
I will always feel something. I will always feel. I will always feel something.
excuse me guys. I'm also should have maybe gone a little bit more to the gym before this trip. But whatever, right? The models actually look extra good now. The worse I look, the better the models look. I promise we didn't drink the tequila bottles yet. Maybe later, so she really didn't fall because she was drunk. She really tripped on something.
Bitches be tripping.
Yes.
We made it back alive with our little boat, and I was gonna say a lot of smiling faces. Well, they're smiling internally, the content was beautiful, but it is always tiresome to do kind of an adventure excursion. But so worth it for the shots. And we're now gonna head back to the hotel. There is casting happening for Vixen, so that promises to be interesting. Let's go join the people.